stillness of a thoughtful mind. A quiet glow is where you find the kind of truth no book defines, a wisdom shaped by living lines. 3 subtle mounds upon his brow, a hint of what the years allow, a depth that rises calm and clear, a knowing presence drawing near. He's walked through questions dark and wide, let silence be his trusted guide. And in that space he learned to see the threads beneath reality. Not facts alone, but life's embrace, the gentle light in every face, a clarity both sharp and kind, a steady grace within the mind. The philosopher with patient gaze carries insight through the maze, a crown not worn but softly shone, a wisdom earned and fully grown.